Here we are today in Robson Ranch, everybody.
Yeah, Robson Ranch is just outside of Dallas in North Texas. And this Aubrey plan that we're getting into is 2563 square feet. Does have an optional casita, which is right to our left. But they are having a meeting right now inside of it, but it's your typical kind of a studio apartment with a kitchenette, walk-in closet, and its own ensuite bath.
Hopefully you can see a little bit of it, but hard to see through that window.
As we come inside, you'll notice how big this house is. And I love the sliders right from the beginning. It goes in my favorite spot, which is always the patio.
Look at all that natural light that it gives off. These high ceilings right here.
So right as we go into on the left-hand side as you walk in, what is this, babe?
This is just a closet, like a big coat closet, and lots of storage in there. It's a really nice space.
That's really good size. And then off to the left across from the hallway there is just your powder bath, which is nice.
Look at how tall those ceilings are. That's super nice.
Now this house is 2-bedroom suites, 2.5 baths, has a den, and it's a 2.5 car garage. So you have that 2-car garage plus the golf cart, which is always nice.
Let me go show the bathroom over here.
Now a little bit about Robson. Robson will be building for the next 20 years. So it's got some time, but it's been around for about 20 years as well. So there's a nice fluctuation of newer and older homes inside this community, which gives it a really good feel. It is a gated golf course community with tons of amenities, which is a whole reason, if you're stumbling upon our channel for the first time, a whole reason why you'd want to go ahead and hit that subscribe button, because we will be doing a full community vlog tour.
Yes, but look at this room. Look at those, look at these beams that are up here. I mean, this is
insane.
Gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. And then it's got this nice little bar area to the right with the cabinets and everything.
They like their bars in Robson Ranch.
They definitely do. We'll get into that area in a minute. There's just so much to look at. I'm just too excited about this. Look at this huge room that leads into the kitchen. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Here we have a nice little coffee area next to the fridge.
Nice 3-bed island.
Lots of cabinet space, definite 3-bed island.
Got a big dining area, which is right off. Look at all the natural light and all the windows that
that
pouring
is
through
beautiful.
here. 2 sliders, one on this side, one in the living room side.
There's that one. Yeah, this room is huge. It really can probably even have a bigger table if you wanted to. And then you have, here's the kitchen from this angle. In fact, I'll go ahead and show the whole, there we go. And then back here is this nice little butler pantry area. Look at that. Nice space right there.
What's that snack closet look like?
That is a good size snack closet. Look at that.
Oh, wow. That's both Costco
Very
and
nice. They even have
Sam's
a
Club.
picture in there, so you could really do it up if you wanted to. All right, well, let's go take a look back here at this neat little room.
Yeah, they have it classified as a den.
So they've got these built-ins right here, which you could use for pretty much whatever you wanted to, but look at this nice room.
Yeah, if you're working, you can still work. Robson Ranch is kind of unique because it is so large. You don't have to strictly be 55 to be in this community. You could be 40 years old.
Yes.
You just can't have anybody living inside your house, under 19. So, oh my gosh, look at this.
I know, I was debating on, we'll go into the ensuite first. So they've got this nice little little closet right here. And then you've got your double sinks right there.
Got a huge soaking tub and a big
good sized shower. Yes.
So you get the best of both worlds there.
And then you've got your bigger closet right here.
Wow.
With its built-ins.
I think I know which one's mine.
Mm-hmm. I think you do. And then it's got these cabinets right here, which here, I'll go ahead and open one just so you can kind of see. It's got these nice shelves, nice tall shelves and deep, so you could fit comforters and things in there if you need to.
There's so much storage in this house.
There's a lot of storage. So if you still want to...
Oh, look at that big picture window.
Oh yeah, look at that. Beautiful. This is look at the light that comes in this room. I love this.
No,
So nice.
This is really nice home.
Mm-hmm. And I guess we should probably look at the patio also.
Oh, I think so.
Mm-hmm.
We always save the best for last.
All right, so here is the outdoor patio. Look at this, it's so nice.
Yeah, this first part right here that you're seeing is 20 by 10, or 20 by 12 actually.
Yeah, I was gonna say, it looks
And that-
bigger than 10.
And that actually is how it comes. And then you can add this extension right outside, which would be your dining area as well. And I don't even think that's all that much. It's definitely worth it.
Yeah, so here is that dining area. Or whatever area if you want to
This
use
space
it.
is so nice.
This is gorgeous. Look at, they've got the nice kitchen out here with a built-in barbecue. Look, you've got so much space right there.
Yeah, but not too much space. You know, it's just enough.
Yeah.
You put one of those screens down right here, you can have it nice with that fireplace. On the cold winter nights, you can, really good for entertaining, have both of these sliders open. It's just a very entertaining, and this is a very active community. So
It
if you
is.
love entertaining, having friends over, doing events, this community is the community to be at in Texas.
It sure is. And the one thing we did forget to show is over here we have, well, you have this nice little space right here, right when you come into from the garage. And then you've got your laundry room with a nice sink in it. And look at all this space back here. It's got tons. Here, let me close the door so I can get back there. There we go. Look at that. That is very nice. Really cute wallpaper too. It's got the dogs all over it. Very cute.
So this particular floor plan starts off right in today's, as we film this today at 657. So pretty good value. And like I said, this thing is ready to go.
And that concludes that tour.
All right, well, that is the Aubrey in Robson Ranch, just north of Dallas, Texas. Now, if this is your first time on our channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that bell so you're notified every time we put a video out. And as well as, we are the only team that specializes in all of Texas retirement 55 plus active adult communities right here in Texas. So if that is of interest to you, definitely hit that subscribe button. If you want assistance in finding your dream home, make sure you hit that dream home at the bottom of this in the description, as well as pinned comment on the top. And until the next time, I'm Andy.
And I'm Patrice.
Take care.